We'll guide you through how to download and install all the mods 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a new and great mod pack to go and have, so we're guiding you through this step by step. Make sure it's a full guide and don't go and skip anything. Here we are on my computer desktop. So from here, we do need to go and open up a web browser. So we're going to go and use Chrome, but it doesn't matter, you could use Edge. Now, just before we get any further, a big thank you to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting, to be linked down below in the pinned comment and the description. So if you're in need of a Minecraft server, this is the place you should go. They've got so many great options. They've got great power, precision, and performance. And you can come and check out the other great benefits as well. One of my favorite things is the 24/7 server support, so you can get help for your always online server, unlimited slots, a free subdomain and automated backups, and much more, and more games as well. But to continue with the guide, what we're going to do is go and search for a site called CurseForge. So with CurseForge, we can easily go and get ATM11. So we can then come to curseforge.com. I found the best way of getting it is by getting the CurseForge app. So in the top right, press Get CurseForge app and press Download Standalone. It'll go and download. And what we need to do is go and open up our File Explorer so we can come to Downloads, or press Downloads to the left in File Explorer. Double click on CurseForge on the installer and it should open. So you can press Next. Make sure you accept the terms of use and privacy policy. I've read them before and you need to be at least 18 years old and press Next. Read this through, I already have, and we can then press Accept and Install. Go and wait for this to install. Here we are in CurseForge. So you need to make sure you got Minecraft installed, and of course you go and own it. Then what you can do is come to the left and you should go and find Minecraft. If you can't go and see it, press the plus to the left where it says add a game, and you can go and scan for it or manually go and add it, but it should usually go and find it. Now we can go and find the mod pack. I've got a few here as I've done this before. So press search at the top and you can go and type in ATM11 and go and press enter, or come to browse and go and find it. And here it is here. You can then press install to the right and you can go and wait for it to go and start downloading. This is going to take a bit of time as there are quite a few mods. When it's finished, it will say play to the right. In my mod packs, it'll go and say play to the right and you can click on it and see it says play. You can go and press on settings in the bottom left. You can press in game specific and you can scroll down here and you want to go and give it a bit more RAM. I give it around 25% of my system just so it's got plenty. You can see your total and the amount it has. So 25% is good. Then we can press back and we can come back here and press play. Now go and wait for this to go and launch. It's now gone and loaded as you can see. So now we can go and press single player and go and get into a world. So that's it. We can now go and play it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.